babybus.
Great! We are ready. Let's open for business. Hello, I can help you get an ice cream. Take an ice cream cone first. Choose a pretty package. Which flavor of ice cream do you like? Pull the lever down and the ice cream will come out. Add pretty decorations and the ice cream is ready. Here is your ice cream. Please enjoy it. The alarm goes off. There may be someone suspicious. Let's check the monitor. Where is this? Let's take a closer look. Where are the stolen products? Let's find them. Awesome! All the stolen products have been found! Now we can leave it all to the policeman.
Thanks for your cooperation in catching the thief. Now you can leave it all to me.
Inform the manager if there's someone suspicious and call the police